This video demonstrates how to load and operate Ranpak's Fillpak Trident. First, turn on the machine by switching the power button to the on position. Reset the machine by pressing the blue flashing button on the control panel. Then, press the red reset button on the touchscreen. Load the bundle onto the paper tray. Cut off the plastic strap from the bundle and remove the remaining cardboard from the paper bundle. Pull off the release liner from the top of the paper bundle, exposing the adhesive. Repeat these steps to place up to 4 bundles on the tray. Do not remove the release liner on the topmost paper bundle. Next, grasp the handle on the side of the unit and pull the spring pin out to pivot the machine back into the loading position. Open the back door and pull the top paper of the bundle over the guide bar on the paper tray. Then place the paper over the roller bar and around the paper guide. Push the paper into the paper inlet. Push the feed button and it will begin to flash. Push the paper further into the inlet until the feed button stops flashing and remains illuminated. This means the paper has been successfully loaded into the machine. Once the paper has been fed, close the back door. Now grasp the handle on the side of the unit and pull the spring pin out to pivot the machine back to the desired running position. Trident is now ready for use. Trident offers 5 different modes of production. Foot switch mode, which allows you to control the length of the pad manually by depressing the foot pedal. EDS mode, which emits the exact same pad every time automatically. Batch mode, which allows you to set the machine for a certain number of pads at a certain length. Preset mode, which allows you to set up to 12 preset lengths of various pads for production. And recipe mode, which allows you to customize up 4 different pad lengths. Select the mode that's right for your production and start your pack out. Congratulations! You should now be able to operate Ranpak's Trident.